Hello, this is Claude Palan from Affiliate Starting Line, and welcome to the tip of the day. The tip today is the Mastermind Pro's Profit Calculator. The Profit Calculator is a pay-per-click tool that allows you to test offers before you launch a campaign, or you can actually take a campaign you already have and test it with this tool. Here's how it works. There are certain cells here into which you input data. The top one is where you put the exact match search volume of your keyword list. Add up the exact match search volume for each one of your keywords and total it up, put it in here. I have a keyword list that's showing 10,000 exact searches a day. The second cell is an approximation of how many of those exact searches can turn into impressions. These are impressions that would be triggered by your ads. In this particular case, I'm going to say 10%. I think that's more conservative. So I'm going to get 1,000 searches a day. The next cells show you some data regarding how many impressions you can expect for the budget that you have. I'm going to start with $1 a day budget. You can start whatever you want, but in this particular case, we'll start at $1 a day. I'm going to assume my click-through rate is 1%. I'm going to pick a cost per click of 26 cents, a conversion rate of 1%. I'm going to go with an ebook, $47. My commission is going to be 55%. And I can, from that point, take a look and see, down here I see a little red. That's telling me that my ebook at 55% commission with a 1% conversion rate, a 26 cents CPC, and a click-through rate of 1% is losing money. So I've got to see what I can do to change that. Now, I can go back up here to my conversion rate and see what happens if I get 1.5% conversion rate. Well, then I'm just breaking even. So this tells me that a few things. It tells me what I need to do in order to try to get this campaign to be positive. It gives me some idea of the click-through rate. It gives me some idea of the conversion rate. How many clicks to the sale? It looks like 67. It gives me a lot of data here to play with. If I'm not happy with $1 a day, the second column here allows me to go and input a different budget amount. Let's say $2 a day, or you can go more than that. And I would get numbers accordingly. The third column will show me what my maximum daily spend should be given the number of exact search volume keywords that I've got. In this case, it's $2.60. Anything above that would be a negative return for me. If I want to increase my budget, I would also have to increase the number of keywords that I'm using. So that gives you an idea of what this tool can do. Let's take a look and see what happens if I put in a situation where it's a commission junction. Typical case there is you get price points. Let's say I have a product that I'm going to sell. It's going to be $90. My commission is typically 13% for some of those kinds of products. And I can see here I'm immediately in the red. So I got to say, gee, what can I do? If my CPC is 26 cents, what kind of a conversion rate do I need? Well, let's see if I add and go up to 2.5. At 2.5 conversion rate, I'm starting to break even on this product at 13% commission. So it gives me an idea of how I can plan out my campaigns. This is a great tool also if you have a campaign running. You can input the exact data and it will show you exactly what's going on in your campaign. So if you want to scale up, it'll tell you how much you can scale, and if you want to try to scale above the number in the third column, you've got to start adding keywords. This is a great tool for any affiliate marketer to use in order to plan campaigns and to assess whether their current campaigns are working or not and what they could do to tweak them. So I urge you to take a look at it. Maybe it'll work for you. I think it will. And that's the tip of the day. This is Claude Palan at Affiliate Starting Line. Stay well, stay with it. Talk to you soon.